Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing question and answers for Microsoft Azure Enterprise Data Analyst Associate DP-500. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, you have Power BI data model. You need to refresh data from the source every 15 minutes. What should you do first? The options are option A, enable the XMLA endpoint. Option B, define an incremental refresh policy. Option C, change the storage mode of the dataset. Option D, configure a scheduled refresh. The correct answer is option A. Our next question is, you are creating a Python visual in Power BI desktop. You need to retrieve the value of a column named unit price from a data frame C. How should you reference the unit price column in the Python code? Please have a look at the options and try to find the correct answer. The correct answer is option A. Our next question is, you use Azure Synapse Analytics and Apache Spark notebooks. 2. You need to use Python PySpark to gain access to the visual libraries. Which Python library should you use? The options are option A, Seaborn only, option B, Matplotlib and Seaborn, option C, Matplotlib only, option D, Matplotlib and TensorFlow, option E, TensorFlow only, option F, Seaborn and TensorFlow. The correct answer is option E. Our next question is, you are using Python Notebook in an Apache Spark pool in Azure Synapse Analytics. You need to present the data distribution statics from a data frame in a tabular view. Which method should you invoke in the data frame? The options are option A, frequel items, option B, explain, option C, roll up, option D, summary. The correct answer is option D. Our next question is, you have a kiosk that displays the Power BI report page. The report page uses a data set that uses import storage mode. You need to ensure that the report page update all the visuals every 30 minutes. Which two actions should you perform? Each correct answer presents the part of the solution. The options are option A, enable Power BI embed, option B, configure the data sources to use direct query, option C, configure the data sources to use the streaming dataset, option D, select auto page refresh, option E, enable the XMIA endpoint, option F, add the Microsoft Power Automate visual to the report page. The correct answers are option A and D. Our next question is, you have an Azure Synapse Analytics dedicated SQL pool. You need to ensure that SQL pool is scanned by Azure Preview. What should you do first? The options are option A, register a data source, option B, search a data catalog, option C, create the data share connection, option D, create a data policy. The correct answer is option B. Our next question is, you have a Power BI workspace that contains one dataset and 4 reports that connect to the dataset. The dataset uses import storage mode and contains the following data sources: a CSV file in the Azure storage account, an Azure database for PostgreSQL database. You plan to use deployment pipelines to promote the content from development to test to production. There will be different data source locations for each stage. What should you include in the deployment pipeline to ensure that the appropriate data source location are used during each stage? The options are: option A, parameter rules; option B, selective deployment; option C, auto binding across pipelines; option D, data source rules. The correct answer is option B. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, you can download it from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.